Hello again. Today we're in the small coastal city of Landskrona in Sweden, and we're staying for one night in a hotel right on the coastline. We've booked a room at the small Kronan Harbour Hotel, and as the name suggests, it's right on the harbour front. By the way, I have a video of the wonderful sights of Landskrona that I made when we visited the city. Check it out after this one. I'll leave a link at the end of this video for you. But for now, you want to know what it's like here at the hotel, so we better get inside. After negotiating the buzzer on the door, it's a very small reception area where we get issued with a physical key. Usually it's a door card, but here it's a good old-fashioned door lock. We are in room 21, which is on the first floor, next to the kitchen, so let's open up and check out the room. Immediately on entering, you can see the room has a bright, fresh feel to it, and the decor really works well together. It's not a huge room, but it's nicely proportioned and has enough space for two people to easily get around. So let's look closer at what we get. Right by the door is a place to hang coats, and there's a bag with a hairdryer in it, an Adler branded one, compact but clean. Then we have a luggage rack and a small desk with a stylish leather chair. I love the ring detail in the back of it. Nothing in the desk drawer, and also a stylish desk lamp. But absolutely dominating the room and taking up a load of space is this tile stove. It's beautifully restored. I'm not sure if it works or not, but wow, does it dominate. Beside it are two very comfortable chairs, and then there's a small table with two glasses and a bottle opener on a plastic tray, and the TV remote. There's also a floor lamp here too. TV up on the wall, positioned to be viewed from the bed. And we have a window here with another lamp. Not a bad view out the window either. The bed looks great and was really comfortable. We have two bedside tables. No easy place to plug in your phone to charge it overnight though, which was a bit annoying, but I do love those cushions on it, and also the bedside lamps look great too. Tucked around the side here is a wardrobe just with two pillows and some hanging space. So that's the room. I'll show you the balcony in a moment, but let's head into the bathroom, which is kind of just a boxed off area in the room. We have some nice stylish towels in here and a cool designer sink, and below is a bin. Past the toilet into the shower area, exposed pipework around the edges. It's a kind of wet room setup. There is some shower gel on the wall there, and the shower fittings are all spotlessly clean, and overall everything here is nice and clean. On the back wall, a couple of towel hooks and a heated towel rail, and finally beside the sink is a power outlet and tissues on the wall and some hand soap. So that's the bathroom, simple enough but nice and clean, and as we head back into the room, let's check out the balcony. So it is a pretty cool view, perfect for watching the sunset and seeing the boats coming and going from the ferry terminal across to Ven Island. And we've got two chairs and a small table here. So that's our room for tonight. I'll see you in the morning for breakfast and my notes on what's good and what's bad, and also how much this all cost. Well, good morning. We slept great, and we're here just outside the room in a small lobby area that has some chairs and a table, and this is also the area where you can get tea or coffee. But let's head into the next room where the breakfast buffet is laid out. There's a limited amount of hot food on offer here, but an extensive spread of cold options. What was really impressive though was the quality, with everything being of a high standard, and I especially like these scones, and there was even gluten-free options as well. The dining room has a nice airy feel, but we were lucky enough to be able to head through to the smaller front room and bag the table with the panoramic windows, giving great views out the front. And there's some really cool decorative items dotted around, which continues to make the hotel a really charming place to be. So a great breakfast. Let's head back to the room and I'll tell you the good and the bad and the price we paid. So undoubtedly the character of this hotel really shines through. It's got a great modern designer feel to it, but still with traditional touches. The balcony was small, but what a great outlook, and as you can see, it was really quiet both inside the hotel and around the hotel exterior. The breakfast was superb, especially the fresh bread products. I think the bathroom in a box was a bit weird, and perhaps not as well soundproofed as you might like, but it was very clean and everything worked well. The Wi-Fi was a little tricky to figure out which network to join, but once connected it worked really good with fast upload and download and stable throughout our stay. The staff in the hotel were really friendly and accommodating and made the stay feel really nice for us. So overall this hotel really impresses, and we definitely would stay here again. But how much did this cost? So the Kronan Harbour Hotel in Landskrona, all rooms come with breakfast included, and we opted for the deluxe double room with balcony and sea view. For one night we paid 1,690 Swedish krona, or around £133 or €153. We booked through booking.com, but we're not paid by them to mention them here, and we didn't get a discount to make this video. so shop around for the best price. Let me know what you think of this price for this hotel experience in the comments below, and thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!